Welcome to another unboxing. Hey, what's up guys, it's Ariff the unboxing here, and this is the one phone that I didn't see coming. Interestingly, this is the one phone that most of us don't know we needed. This is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. So if this is your first look at the unboxing experience, and spoiler alert, it's pretty much the same as the S10 Lite with the 24 watts charger, USB-C cables, earbuds, submanuals, silicone case, except for this, a little box which has a tool to swap the tips for the S Pen. So as you can see off the bat, it's really a reflective phone like the S10 Lite. This is the Aura red ones, and you can see how shiny it is. Although the Aura black ones are a bit more toned down. Okay, when it comes to Android smartphone, the Galaxy Note line has always been up there with the best. Not only because it consistently offers the best spec and features on a smartphone, but because of this. A bundled stylus called the S Pen that really sets apart the Note line from any smartphone on the Android world. However, like any other top-of-the-line phones, it also comes at a hefty price tag. Since its release, the Note lineup has always been an aspirational smartphone. Well, until now. This is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. Although the phone is called Lite, there's nothing light about it. In the hands, it feels as solid as any flagship, just not as flashy or slick as the Note 10. Probably a new design language Samsung is going for 2020. Anyways, the Note 10 Lite has the same rectangular camera cutout you see on the S10 Lite. And on the front, you have the Super AMOLED display with a camera hole punch. It's a 6.7-inch display, and well, it's the same beautiful Samsung display that we saw in the S10 Lite. It also comes with the same on-screen optical fingerprint scanner, which is decently fast. Now, all that is good, but we know the highlight of the Note lineup is this: the S Pen. It's the same S Pen that you see on the Note flagships, which means it's Bluetooth enabled, has a 0.7mm tip, and 4096 pressure levels. You get all the features that you generally get with a flagship Note. For example, there's my favorite feature, which is the screen off memo, where you can take out your S Pen and write down a memo without you even unlocking the phone. You can also take off the S Pen to get the air command with all the tools just like the other Note flagship. There's just so many features that comes with this S Pen, and since it's Bluetooth enabled, you can use it as a remote too. You can take pictures and switch between front and back cameras, move between photos, and a lot more. So basically, it's the same great S Pen that you get from the Note 10. However, you don't get the gyro function on the Note 10 Lite. So there's no flicking around like a magic wand, but I don't think it's a big deal because all the essentials are there. So far so good, right? There's nothing light about it so far. Well, it doesn't stop there. When it comes to the camera, the Galaxy Note 10 Lite packs a triple camera setup with 12MP f1.7 main camera with OIS, 12MP f2.2 ultra-wide camera, and a 12MP f2.4 telephoto lens with OIS. Yep, another capable setup from this Lite smartphone. But the photo from the phone looks great, especially in daylight. As you can see, it's sharp and detailed with good dynamic range. Even the low light pictures look well lit thanks to the f1.7 aperture. I also tested the live focus mode and it's pretty good. And here are some good looking wide angle shots. On the video end, the Note 10 Lite supports 4K at 60fps recording, which is better than the S10 Lite, which only supports 4K at 30fps. Weird. Anyway, here are some samples of 4K at 60fps recording, and I like it. It's pretty stable due to the dual OIS. And with the super steady mode, This takes stabilizing to another level, even when you're running. Amazing. Lastly, on the front are the selfie camera. It's a 32 megapixel f2.0, and well, here are some selfies that I took from the camera. Moving on under the hood, the Galaxy Note 10 Lite comes with Exynos 9810 with up to 8GB RAM and 128GB expandable storage. I know the Exynos 9810 is an older processor, but it's still a fairly capable processor. With my testing of the phone, it's been a really smooth experience even with me using the S Pen most of the time. It even can handle the high-end games like the PUBG Mobile and Asphalt 9 with high-end graphics with no performance issue when I was playing it. On the software end, like the S10 Lite, the Note 10 Lite runs the One UI 2.0 on top of Android 10, which means you get all the features like the gesture control, link to window, game booster for enhanced game performance, face unlock, and many more. Lastly, there's the big battery. The Galaxy Note 10 Lite might be light by name, but it's got a not so light battery of 4500 milliamps, which should last very long. Plus, it comes with the same 25 watts charger you get from the Galaxy S10 Lite, so charging should be really fast. So that's the overview of the new Note 10 Lite, and it has been launched with the price of 2,299 ringgit here in Malaysia. I would say it's a more accessible price, and I'm so excited about this phone because now more people can enjoy everything that we love about the Galaxy Note. Thanks, Samsung. Well, those are my overview of the new Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. And I really appreciate what Samsung is doing with the Lite brand. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Until then, don't forget to share and subscribe for more videos on this channel. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.